They're making $10K per month posting videos without showing their face. Here's how. This is the same system Faceless creators are using to scale to 10K plus per month, and no one's talking about it. It starts with a single idea. You drop that into ChatGPT, now you've got a full script. Then you plug into HeyGen, your AI avatar handles the talking, just like me right now. Next, OpusClip chops it into 5 viral shorts automatically. Schedule it all in Buffer or Repurpose.io. That's 6 pieces of content from one prompt. Multiply that by 30 days and you've got 180 videos per month. Even if only 3 of them hit, that's ad revenue, affiliate clicks, and brand momentum. Now imagine stacking multiple niches: finance, tech, productivity, motivation. This becomes a media business powered by AI. She took 5 hours to do that. OpusClip did it in 30 seconds.